Welcome to the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today guys, I will take you all to Brace River. Yeah man, so you can keep on watching. I'm taking you to one dog show at Brace River and people, so you can keep on watching, you know. True Jamaican Vibes, you know, Fire Reid. And the tour guide, always remember to share, like and subscribe to the channel.
This is Son link up along with the dog fraternity. About 4 months ago I was introduced by Dandra, who's sitting right there. He does the Akitas he don't have, and I tell her he spoke to me of joining up with their group. And trust me, I've met a group of people who really love dog and say dog. And it's a boy dog link up. I'm just saying, you know what? I'll take on the dog link up next. It's not a show, don't get me wrong, it's not a show, it's a link up, but it's all about dogs. You understand? We love the dog.
Yeah.
Just like we say, True, big sponsor.
So how long are you in business?
I've been in the dog thing since I was introduced to it by a guy named Marcus. Also, D-Money, the man that said that right there. I was introduced by them in the dog thing 2012.
So any contact number, anybody want to reach out to you? Any
Contact number, I do rare and sell if they get too much. 402-1941. And it's
right.
Son Kennel.
So you have some people say if you don't want to link up Son, you give the number. So you can give me number again, you know.
Yeah,
give me number
402-1941. Son Kennel.
Yeah man, so check out the channel. Yeah man, in a Brace over there. The dog link up, big up on yourself, you know. Manners. Yeah, some people say so when you come to Santa Cruz on the back road beside the gas station on the back road there, you can check out my coconut brethren. Yeah man, so you know say coconut good for your heart. So I'm giving you a taxi, you know. Big up on yourself.
Yeah man, fighting this, you know. Fight coconut water, you see me? Right for the bypass, you can pass the total gas station. Gas mark. Come from the bypass road, I mean that. They're fresh and best coconut them. Every day. Freshest. See that? Right away people. Ready done.
Man,
now we do nothing more.
So you know, big up nobody on the channel.
Oh, big up, I will ask them man. A whole heap of friends man. Too much. Step 1, big up themselves. Maxwell Construction, you know I go.
Yeah.
Yeah man, big up my climber friend. I am the climber.
Me boss, we know say that easy to climb a coconut tree, you know, so you see every man do them work. So we bless up yourselves, eh? Yeah man, bless up.
Yeah,
Manners and respect.
As we say, Maxwell Construction.
Yeah.
Step 1. Eddie Hines, whole work.
Manners and respect. A long time I know them, man.
Friend for life.
Yeah, man.
Killer lights. For the Wi-Fi and everything. Don't know. Yeah, man, are fighting, yeah? Yeah.
Yes. Big up, boss. Cool.
Let's go to work. 'Cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself. 'Cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up. 'Cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. But I'm not going to give up and fall. Rise above the door.
Yeah, do it the watch here. Make him do it. Yeah, do it watch here. Do it.
So right now, the most all the shepherds will line up. The judge looking for confirmation. We have some beautiful shepherds inside the ring. The judge is
She love that too much. That's the stuff right. Yeah, that's
For the island is here today. Mugby, Portland, Bochi, you name it. Clarendon, near and far. Sit, lounge, have a drink, AC, cool down, enjoy the music box.
All right.
Dutch Shepherd. So we have a brother in a suit coming across. Ladies and gentlemen, look across the bridge, over the ring. We have a decoy in a suit. See the Dutch Shepherd, yeah! Yeah! Good. 5 months old, ladies and gentlemen. That is a Dutch Shepherd. Lovely puppy bike right there. Hanging on. Good. 5 months old, ladies and gentlemen. Give that dog a little applause. So we're gonna go again. Look at that. See that back pressure? Yeah, lovely. After 5 months old. Good. Yeah, you're doing a lovely revise as well. Once again, we have the nice Korean people on both sides. So later on, show the way. That's our best judge, Ricardo. Know you love God. Soldier Pup from out of Mugby in the working class of Shepherd.